Okay, the first thing we're going to do is unplug the blender.
The blender motor spins in the clockwise direction.
And if you notice, you can not only spin the blade in the clockwise direction, but you can spin the whole unit. There's nothing keying that unit in place. So the blade can spin, and the whole assembly that holds the blade can spin clockwise. Okay, now we're going to take that blade assembly and connect it to the pitcher. So as you notice, when you thread this in, you're threading it in the counterclockwise direction until it's tight. Okay, now Carla is taking great pains to make this as tight as possible. Now we'll put the thing together. So there's other attachments with this blender, and they behave in the same way. When you look at it from the top, you're threading it in counterclockwise.
So the ingredients that we're going to put into our smoothie are 1 whole avocado, 1/2 a banana, almond milk, some cinnamon, some sunflower seeds, almonds, and
Frozen mango and frozen blueberries.
we don't measure those out. We figure it out once we put it into our container.
So I'll put in my avocado and my banana and sprinkle in some cinnamon.
Now, I like to put some liquid on the bottom, so I'm going to put some liquid on the bottom. This is almond milk. This is, by the way, a vegan smoothie.
I don't know if I mentioned, but I have a little tray of ginger here.
So I'm going to put in a little bit of, I had some frozen cheese squash pumpkin. I'll give a little liquid in there because you can never have enough liquid. Don't like to put the nuts on the bottom. It might get stuck. It's good for the sunflower seeds. And then we're going to get the almonds in. Okay, that should be enough. Ready for our blueberries, but actually we're going to put the mango in first because we can fit the blueberries around the mango. Can't go the other way around. Just a few more. So now we're going to fill the interstitials here with a little more almond milk. Okay, put the top on, put it back in. Okay. Now before we look at anything, I just want to, I should not be able to tighten this because you saw how tight it was prior to that. Let's see if I can move this at all. I did have to tighten it up a little bit.
This shows that running the blender loosens the base of the blender.
So I'm going to give it one little stir here so that I can make sure that it can be completely done. Okay, here we go. There it is.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can see it's leaked already. Let's see what happens. Look at that. Look how loose that is. Can you see that? It's turning. This got loosened just from running the blender. The motor goes in the direction that loosens the base of the blender. Where the blade is. That's just, and it makes a mess, and we have to clean it up almost every time we make a smoothie. It's not fun. And this goes there's no difference between this base on this piece and this base on this piece, for the 16-ounce one. And so we actually need to have either a motor that goes in the other direction, or you replace the bases so that they turn in the other direction. well, you have to replace the whole thing so it tightens in the other direction. Or you've got to do something. The design is poor. It's not going to work and keep it from leaking.
Please subscribe.